Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about machine learning, artificial intelligence, or just curious about how computers learn from data, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the exciting world of few-shot learning. So, if you're ready to expand your knowledge, let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is few-shot learning? And why is it so important in the realm of artificial intelligence? Let's break it down together. At its core, few-shot learning is a machine learning paradigm that focuses on training models to learn new tasks with very limited data. Unlike traditional methods, which often require thousands or even millions of examples to achieve reasonable performance, few-shot learning aims to generalize from just a handful of examples. This ability is crucial in many real-world applications, where collecting large datasets can be time-consuming, expensive, or simply impractical. Let's illustrate this with a simple example. Imagine you have a friend who has a pet cat. If you've seen pictures of cats before, you can probably recognize your friend's cat even if you've only seen one or two photos of it. This is because you've already learned the features that define a cat: whiskers, fur, pointy ears, and so on. Now, think about how a computer might struggle with this task. In the traditional machine learning approach, it would need thousands of cat pictures to accurately identify your friend's cat. However, with few-shot learning, a model could learn to identify that specific cat from just a couple of pictures. It leveraged prior knowledge from previous experiences to make educated guesses based on very few examples. This mimics human-like learning, which is why few-shot learning has become a hot topic in AI research. Let's take a look at some practical applications of few-shot learning. One of the most common areas is in computer vision. For instance, consider facial recognition systems. These systems often need to identify people from just one or two images. Few-shot learning can significantly enhance their performance. Companies like Facebook and Google have integrated few-shot learning techniques to improve their facial recognition systems, allowing them to recognize users from limited data. Another exciting application is in natural language processing, or NLP. Imagine training a chatbot to understand and respond to various queries based on only a few examples of each type of question. Traditional models would require extensive datasets to cover all possible queries, but few-shot learning allows chatbots to handle new questions effectively, simply by drawing on prior knowledge. A study conducted by researchers at Google AI demonstrated the effectiveness of few-shot learning in NLP. They developed a model that could perform well on new tasks after being trained on just a few examples, showcasing how this approach can save time and resources while maintaining accuracy. Now, let's talk about the underlying techniques that make few-shot learning possible. One popular method is called meta-learning, or learning to learn. In this approach, models are trained on a variety of tasks so they can learn how to adapt quickly to new ones. This process involves finding patterns across different tasks, which helps the model generalize better when faced with few examples. Another technique is prototypical networks, which work by creating a representation or prototype for each class based on the few available examples. When a new example is introduced, the model compares it to these prototypes to determine its class, making it efficient in classification tasks with limited data. In terms of data, recent advancements have shown that using synthetic data can enhance few-shot learning. Researchers can create simulated examples that resemble real-world data, allowing models to train on these generated examples to improve their performance. This technique is especially valuable in fields like healthcare, where real data can be scarce due to privacy concerns. Now, you might be asking yourself, what does the future hold for few-shot learning? Well, the potential is enormous. As we continue to develop more sophisticated AI systems, few-shot learning will likely play a critical role in making AI more adaptable and efficient. This could lead to significant advancements in various fields, including robotics, autonomous vehicles, and personalized medicine. As researchers delve deeper into this area, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that can transform our everyday lives. The ability to learn from minimal data not only reduces the resource burden, but also opens up new possibilities for AI to assist us in ways we haven't even imagined yet. To wrap up, few-shot learning is a fascinating and impactful area of artificial intelligence that allows models to learn from very few examples. By mimicking human-like learning processes, few-shot learning enhances the efficiency and adaptability of AI systems across various applications. If you found this video informative and interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you encountered few-shot learning in your work or studies? We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more exciting explorations into the world of technology.